S&P 500 Complete is your go-to for regular updates on all 500 stocks. Subscribe so you never miss out. Watch till the end to understand what to watch out for about the Paycor acquisition when evaluating your Paychex investment. Let's jump in. Paychex, ticker PAYX, dominates small business. Payroll services with 800,000 customers and a 22.3% market share. They just completed a transformational $4.1 billion acquisition of Paycor that could reshape their entire growth trajectory. But here's what's concerning about this integration. Operating margins have been crushed, falling 700 basis points to just 30.2% in Q4 2025, down from 37% 3 years ago. Even worse, debt exploded from $799 million to $4.5 billion in a single quarter to fund this deal, pushing their debt to EBITDA ratio to 1.96x. That's a massive leverage spike that reduces their financial flexibility right when they need it most. However, there's massive potential if this integration works. Management is projecting over $80 million in annual cost synergies starting in fiscal 2026, plus an additional 30 to 50 basis points of revenue growth contribution. That's huge when you consider they're operating in a market expected to grow from $35.26 billion to $91.69 billion by 2034, effectively a 10% annual growth rate, with their dominant position serving 1 out of every 11 American workers. They're perfectly positioned to capture this growth. Plus, they're generating incredible cash flow to support this transition. Paychex produced $1.71 billion in free cash flow in 2025. With margins consistently above 25%, this gives them the financial cushion to invest in integration while maintaining their 11-year dividend growth streak. The acquisition also expands their addressable market from companies with 1,000 employees to 2,500 employees, opening up entirely new revenue streams in the mid-market segment. The key moment to watch is fiscal 2026 earnings, when we'll see the first full-year impact of Paycor synergies. Management has promised $80 million in cost savings, but the real test is whether they can deliver the projected revenue synergies and margin recovery. What do you think? Will Paychex deliver on these integration promises? Drop a comment below.